Hinanda po ng mga kasama ko sa kabinete itong mga reflections na ito para alalahanin namin si Pangulong Noynoy Aquino. And Brother Armin, para ka namang nagbigay ng report sa isang cabinet meeting kanina. But my reflection on Pinoy's leadership, he believed in people's capacity to rise out of poverty for as long as they are given the opportunity and the capacity and the tools and resources to use. He supported the human development programs with meticulous questioning on results. You cannot give generalities or motherhood statements. It has to be logical, within budget and reasonable time frame. We have to remember and keep our records because he remembers the numbers you give him. He will quote you the first numbers you gave him if you will give him a different number in a subsequent report. He believes in transparency and accountability in its highest forms. We will remember how he brings out the calculator to show the wrong addition that you have made. However, he will patiently walk you through what he means if he thinks and feels that you did not understand. He had done that several times in groups. He is a very private and grieves with people he's comfortable with. After Jesse died, a small group reflected with him and had a private crying session. He has a very wry sense of humor. Whenever we come for meals, he always says, especially yung mga kasamahan naming mga med diabetes, sasabihin niya palagi sa amin, kay Sec Prosi, kay Hil at sa akin, hindi masarap ang dessert. Huwag kayong kakain dahil hindi yan masarap. Pinoy, salamat sa pagkakataong maglingkod sa mamamayan kasama mo. Pahinga ka na at buo na ang puso mo diyan sa langit. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi.